Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe on your phone. First, head to your phone's App Store and download the Adobe Creative Cloud app, or specific apps like Photoshop Express or Lightroom Mobile. Once installed, sign in with your Adobe ID. This gives you access to all your cloud files and subscriptions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app's layout, where you'll find options for creating new projects, managing existing files, and sharing your work with others. It's quite intuitive. Adobe offers a suite of powerful mobile apps. Photoshop Express is fantastic for quick photo edits, offering over 80 filters and collage tools. For more advanced photo work, Lightroom Mobile provides professional-grade editing and seamless cloud syncing. If you're dealing with documents, Adobe Acrobat Reader lets you view, annotate, and even sign PDFs directly from your phone. And for creating stunning social media content in minutes, Adobe Express is your go-to tool. One of the biggest advantages of using Adobe on your phone is the seamless workflow. With Creative Cloud, your projects are stored in the cloud, allowing you to start editing on your phone and pick up exactly where you left off on your desktop, or vice versa. You typically get up to 100 gigabytes of cloud storage. You can also share your creations directly to social media or invite collaborators. Plus, custom brushes and fonts sync across devices, ensuring consistency in your creative output. To get the most out of Adobe on your phone, here are a few tips. First, manage your phone's storage. Regularly clear app caches to keep things running smoothly. A stable internet connection is crucial for seamless cloud syncing and downloading assets. If your phone supports a stylus, like an Apple Pencil or S Pen, use it for much greater precision in drawing and detailed editing tasks. Finally, always keep your Adobe apps updated to benefit from the newest features and performance enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.